Shots fired.
Where are you shooting? Top middle? Die.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Unless it's a really small hole, so you just can't see.
Yeah, I bring it in.
Shots being fired.
You're off by a couple inches.
Shots fired.
Put it on the thing, or you can hold it. Hold it like this. Until you're ready, hold it like that. You want to put this in right here. And then when you're ready, you have one more. So take your hand, lift it up, and tap and forward.
Stand right here, I'll film this. Oh yeah, baby.
Wow. So you can see it back it up.
Shot fired.
Oh, thin.
See you next, Jimmy. Ready? Don't put your finger until you're ready. Don't press it. You see this? The stick over there at the end? See the stick? You got this aim. So you gotta get eye level with it. Put your hand over here. Hold it hard. Hey.
Here.
Aim
Wait, but
up.
put Kevin.
Let's
put-
put these guys down.
Okay. But put Kevin. Put this here.
Oh yeah. I don't know if he's gonna reach. Can you reach it? Now look.
Палец уберите.
Good job, Kevin.
Aim at one of, put this in your shoulder. There you go. And then aim it. Don't shoot up. Aim at where you're going.
Nice.
Pick it up, push it back, push it forward, down.
Good job,
One
Kevin.
more. Yeah, no.
No, finger not there. Over here.
Okay.
Just let him shoot by and get him.
Yeah.
Aim with the stick where it's going.
Did you see that last one? The orange. You hit the same spot. That's crazy.
Is there? No.
Oh no.
Don't put your finger in there. Hold both hands.
Makes
And
you
when
like,
you're ready.
"Ah,
Alright. Huh?
That's scary.
You don't want to do that?
Can I try it?
22.